In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp120.dll missing Photoshop. So let's get started. First is you have to just try to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Because once you restart, that will refresh all the system processes and all the system programs on your Windows 11. So just try to restart. Next method, click on the Start button and go to Settings. Also update your Windows. Click the Windows Update option on the left pane and simply click the button from here. Next method, you can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the Start button again and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. Click the three dots and select the uninstall option and simply reinstall it to your Windows. For the next method, we need to check our system type first. So search for system information on the Windows search bar. Click on system information under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also, if you have installed any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, just also try to disable that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.